Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the kitchen. Holiday baking is finally here and today I show you how to make blueberry muffins. So let's get started. Alright, preheat your oven to 400 and let's get started with the dry ingredients. I have 2.5 cups of flour, a little bit of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and whisk it all together. And set it aside. And now to the wet ingredients. We need 1 cup of milk, 3/4 of a cup of sugar. I like to use vanilla bean paste, but you could also use vanilla extract or leave out the vanilla at all. It's totally up to you. I'm gonna use about this much. 1/4 of a cup of melted butter. A 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. Trying to get it all out. Two eggs. And I also like to use some lemon juice. Squeeze just a little bit to a strainer so we don't get the seeds in it. I would say that much. And whisk it all together. Okay, this looks about right. Next, let's add the wet into the dry. And mix it together. And now I'm going to add about 7 ounces of blueberries. I used frozen ones and I've coated them lightly in flour. So let's get them all in. And fold them in. Alright. Now we have recently moved and this is the only muffin pan that I could find. And I also couldn't find my ice cream scoop, so I'm using a normal spoon. Let's get this filled up. So an ice cream scoop is definitely easier, but since I can find it, we are making a little mess. Okay, they're all filled up and I decided to add just a little more blueberries on top. now this goes into the oven for about 10 minutes or until a toothpick or skewer comes out clean. Alright, and here they are. I let them cool down for a moment before we try them. Alright, let's give it a try. They are so good. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you would, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!